Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Tuesday inaugurated a 50 kilowatt solar photovoltaic plant at St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, under the Chief Minister's solar mission aimed at promoting renewable energy and sustainable development. Implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency, the Rs 50 lakh project is among the largest solar installations in an educational institution in the state and is equipped with battery backup facilities. Addressing the gathering, Sangma said renewable energy is critical in tackling climate change and emphasized that the CM Solar Mission focuses on providing complete energy solutions through solar panels, inverters and battery storage systems. He informed that over 1.5 megawatt of solar capacity has already been installed in nearly 700 schools across Meghalaya, with another 1,300 schools set to be covered soon. The Chief Minister also announced a forthcoming state-level innovation competition to support students and young entrepreneurs in developing practical solutions to real-world challenges. Power Department Commissioner and Secretary Dr. Joram Beda said nearly 2,000 government schools have been identified for phased solar installations under the mission. The program concluded with the Chief Minister inaugurating and inspecting the facility.
With a memento and a bouquet of flowers.
Right, that's one. Take more like this. Okay. Just see around. Oh, okay. Wow. So measuring is to be done. Yes. This is monocrystalline, sir. Okay. It's higher. So in this sunlight also it will be able to generate electricity. Yes, sir.
On the top of the building.
Yeah. So we have a remote RMS, remote monitoring system. From the dashboard, we can say what's the power. Oh, great. It's a 50 kilowatt project, and you'll be happy to know that most of the school's power now is coming from here. Almost, you can say almost 90% is coming from here. And we're only using half the capacity. Very soon, we are hopeful that not just the highest secondary school, but also the college will be completely on solar. And this is the kind of project we'd like to see in all institutes so that we promote green energy. And this is one of the larger projects we've done under CM Solar Mission. But like this, about 700 schools have been given units, and close to 1.4 megawatts of power has been installed. So it's a great success, and I wish the school, the management, the very best, and will continue to have more and more schools powered by solar energy. Thank you so much. Okay. 1, 2. So I'm at St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. With all our students here. We are here to inaugurate the 50 kilowatt solar panel. Guys, say hi.